A wise monk once said, "You can grow it, or you can buy it. Either way, it's yours." Wig resizing. Have you ever ordered a wig that you loved, but it didn't fit? Well, that's the simple issue we will be addressing today. When a wig maker resizes a wig, they work off a mold of their client's head.
Wow, that must really help with the overall fit and comfort.
Yes, and please don't interrupt me while I'm narrating. We will be watching the deconstruction of an ill-fitting factory wig, adding an additional 4X coated film lace part and hairline. The original wig has now been separated into two pieces where the lace meets the stretch panel, cutting the factory lace front into strips. They will later be used adjacent to the part and behind the hairline.
Is what he's adding down there on the bottom the film lace you were talking about?
Yes. The 4X coated film lace is being added to the perimeter and center parting area before the resizing starts.
Who would you recommend this method of resizing to?
Someone who has already purchased a wig elsewhere and can't return it, or they might just want to save on cost.
How do I book a consultation?
You can give us a call, and we'll guide you through the process. You can also call if you have any questions about the different wig making workshops available. Now that the original foundation has been resized to fit the client's head, the excess material and hair will be trimmed. The next step, hand tying the hair, most commonly known as wig knotting or hair ventilating. And for the more wig-educated watchers, KC is single strand zero skip cross knotting on vertically laid lace. This knotting pattern removes the need for knot bleaching and unwanted volume at the root. Now it's time to add the lace previously cut into strips, not letting any of the original wig go to waste. Factories will typically knot hair strands using what is called a double split knot, or what some call a butterfly knot, ranging from 1 to 3 strands. This results in moderately to extremely visible bulky knots. Aside from the knots being visible, it is near impossible to style without heat, water, or product. Well, folks, the factory wig is almost officially dead. Just a few more moments, and the wig will be reborn. Well, resized is really the proper term. After a little work, and what some might say is a little too much, the wig is at last complete, and is ready to go to its new home, ahead of schedule. Let us know in the comments, what is your biggest wig pet peeve? Thanks for watching. Support the channel by doing the typical end of video things. Oh sure, I'll wait.